Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we take a close look at the products that matter most to you. Today, we're diving into the Hoover MAXLife Elite Swivel Vacuum Cleaner, a bagless upright that promises to deliver thorough cleaning power with every pass. Whether you've got pets, carpets, or hard floors, this vacuum is designed to make your life easier by tackling those tough messes. Let's see how it stacks up against the competition and whether it's the right choice for your home. The Hoover MAXLife Elite is built to provide powerful, long-lasting suction. With its 10-amp motor and advanced filtration technology, it aims to trap even the most stubborn debris. If you've been struggling with vacuum cleaners that lose suction, the MAXLife system promises consistent power over time. One feature worth noting is the Power Pass brush roll. This is engineered to dig deep into carpets, making it ideal for homes with thicker rugs or pet hair. For hard floors, the vacuum's edge-to-edge suction maximizes debris pickup, ensuring that dirt doesn't hide in tight corners or along baseboards. For those who deal with allergens, this model is equipped with a HEPA media filter that traps microscopic particles. Whether it's dust, pet dander, or pollen, the filtration system ensures that the air remains clean as you vacuum. Additionally, the vacuum utilizes dual cyclone technology, which helps maintain strong suction, even as the dust bin fills up. This is a key selling point for users who don't want to stop and clean the filter every few minutes during a big vacuuming session. When it comes to usability, Hoover has taken steps to ensure that this vacuum is as versatile as possible. The 2-in-1 upholstery tool, 8-foot hose, and crevice tool let you clean more than just floors. These accessories make it easy to target those hard-to-reach areas, like stairs, upholstery, and the gaps around furniture. Swivel steering further enhances maneuverability, allowing you to move around corners and furniture without struggling. However, some users might find the vacuum's size a little bulky in tight spaces. But overall, it's designed for ease of handling in most home environments. Now, let's talk about real-world use. The Hoover MAXLife Elite performs impressively on both carpet and hard floors. When cleaning carpets, the brush roll digs deep, pulling up dirt and hair that other vacuums might leave behind. Pet owners will especially appreciate how well it picks up fur. On hard floors, the edge-to-edge suction truly shines, leaving no dust or crumbs behind. The attachments come in handy for upholstery and car interiors, but the long hose may feel cumbersome if you're moving around a lot of furniture. That said, the included tools work well for spot cleaning areas like stairs and baseboards, which are usually tricky with traditional vacuum heads. In terms of performance, the Hoover MAXLife Elite's 10-amp motor provides consistent suction, but it's important to note that this is a corded model. While you don't have to worry about battery life, the cord can limit your range. It's long enough for most spaces, but if you've got a large home, you might need to plug in and unplug more often. As for noise levels, it's about what you'd expect from an upright vacuum. Louder than cordless models, but not overly disruptive. If you're sensitive to noise, it might be a consideration, but it doesn't feel excessively loud compared to others in this category. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the Hoover MAXLife Elite offers strong suction power, especially on carpets and pet hair. The swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver, and the HEPA filter is a real plus for allergy sufferers. The tools included are versatile and useful for tackling messes beyond just the floor, and the dual cyclone technology ensures you're getting powerful suction throughout your cleaning session. However, the weight of the vacuum can be a downside for those who need something lighter. It's not the heaviest vacuum out there, but it might feel bulky when carrying it up and down stairs. Also, the cord can be limiting in larger spaces, and some users may wish for a longer reach without needing to switch outlets. When it comes to value for money, the Hoover MAXLife Elite is priced competitively for a vacuum with this level of performance. It's not the cheapest on the market, but considering the filtration system, strong suction, and useful attachments, it offers solid value. For homes with pets or a mix of carpet and hard floors, this vacuum's features can make cleaning significantly easier. It competes well with similar models, and when compared to other vacuums in this price range, it stands out due to its consistent suction and solid filtration system. However, if you're looking for a lightweight, cordless model or something quieter, you might want to explore other options. In terms of competition, vacuums like the Shark Navigator Liftaway or the Bissell CleanView offer comparable features, such as swivel steering and strong suction, but they come with slight differences in design or filtration. The Shark Navigator, for example, is a bit lighter and offers more flexibility with its liftaway feature. The Bissell CleanView, on the other hand, might appeal to those who need a vacuum with a more compact design, but it doesn't have the same level of filtration. When comparing these models, the Hoover MAXLife Elite stands out for those who prioritize long-term suction performance and an effective filtration system for allergy relief. Looking at build quality, the Hoover MAXLife Elite feels solid. The plastic parts are sturdy, and the vacuum doesn't feel flimsy. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the brush roll is straightforward to clean, though you'll need to remove long hair from time to time. Maintaining the filters is simple enough, and overall, this vacuum is easy to keep in working condition with regular maintenance. Durability seems promising, but as with all vacuums, regular care will help ensure it lasts longer. There's no sign of cheap materials here, and the construction seems solid for a vacuum in this price range. As for customer support, Hoover is known for being responsive, though you might not need to contact them often. The warranty and support options are typical for vacuums in this category, and Hoover's reputation for customer service is generally good. If you're wondering whether this is the vacuum for you, it really depends on your needs. The Hoover MAXLife Elite is best suited for homes with carpets, pets, and people who suffer from allergies. Its strong suction and effective filtration system make it a standout in this category. However, if you're after something lightweight, or if you don't want to deal with a cord, there are other options out there that might better suit your lifestyle. But for those who need consistent power and effective cleaning on a variety of surfaces, this vacuum is a solid choice. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Whether you've used this vacuum or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those floors spotless with Reviews Inside TV.